Here's how to upload files to Google Drive and share their links directly from Google Sheets. There are two ways to do this. Let's start with the built-in method. Go to Google Drive and click New. Select File Upload, choose your files and click Open. When the upload finishes, right-click the file and select Share. Under General Access, change Restricted to anyone with the link. Set the permission, Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Click Copy Link, then Done. This works well for one file, but if you're uploading multiple files and need to track and share all their links in one place, Drive Explorer Pro is built for that. It's a Google Sheets add-on that uploads your files to Google Drive and automatically logs every file, name, link, and detail directly into your spreadsheet. Install Drive Explorer Pro from the Google Workspace Marketplace, link in the description. Open Google Sheets, go to Extensions, select Drive Explorer Pro, then click Open Drive Explorer Pro. In the sidebar, click Change under Default Google Drive folder to choose where your files will be saved. Go to the Settings tab and set File Access to anyone with the link, so every file is shareable the moment it uploads. Go to the List Files tab and check File Name Link to URL and Direct Download Link. This controls what gets logged in your sheet for each file. Click Save Selected Settings as default. Now go to the Upload Files tab. Drag your files into the box or click to select them. Click Upload Files to Drive and list in Sheets. All files upload at once and every link appears in the sheet immediately. No copying, no switching tabs. Instead of sending separate links, share the sheet. One link, everything in one place. That's it. Your files are now in Google Drive with shareable links logged and ready to send. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.